meeting. All recorded files also I will send you, Harish.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Methods
Thank
of
you, sir.
testing, levels of testing, DLC, STLC, everything I will send you. But
Okay, sir.
today concept is STLC.
Okay.
STLC. What do you mean by STLC? Software testing lifecycle.
Okay.
Software testing lifecycle. STLC contains 6 phases. First one, test planning, test development, test execution, result analysis, bug tracking, and reporting. Heart of the course, that is STLC. STLC contains 6 phases: test planning, test
Okay.
development, test execution, result analysis, bug tracking, and reporting. So today we will discuss test planning. Very very important concept. Compulsory at any cost you need to buy hard tomorrow. Compulsory,
Okay.
compulsory. It is very very important. Without asking
Okay,
your
sir.
name, they may give job. Without asking your name, they may give job. But compulsory, compulsory, compulsory. If it is any software company, compulsory they will ask you test planning. Test planning is very very
Okay.
important. Okay. Today concept is
Okay.
test planning. What do you mean by plan? Tell me. What do you mean by plan? What do you say? Plan. What is plan?
Plan is, sir, is any kind of job. Okay, is to plan that which has to be performed in an effective way.
Hmm.
Okay. We can tell it's kind of strategy.
Hmm. Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document. Plan is nothing but it is
Okay.
a strategic document. Based on the strategy, plan will be changed. It is nothing but it is a
Okay.
strategic document. Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document.
Strategy.
Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document which describes which describes how to do that work. How to do the task effective,
Efficient.
efficient, optimized way. Planning is a strategic document. Based on the strategy, plan will be changed. For example, if you want to do one task, so you will do plan separately. I will do plan separately. That means based on the strategy, plan will be changed. Strategic documents is nothing but based on the strategy, plan will be changed. Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document which describes how to perform a task in an effective and efficient and optimized way. Effective and efficient and optimized way. One second, sir. One second, one second, one second.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Selena, what's sir? Where are you from, sir? Australia, na? Australia, right? Yes, sir. Work, project type బట్టి ఉంటుంది సార్. నేనే వర్క్ చేస్తాను సార్. మీరు చేసేది 10 రోజులు చేస్తే నేను 1 డేలో చేసి పెడతాను సార్. మీరు చూడాలి. మీరు చూసుకుంటే మీకు తెలిసిపోతుంది అంతే. ప్రాజెక్ట్ వచ్చి ఎన్ని రోజులు అయింది సార్? మీ ముందే చేసి చూపిస్తాను. మీరు కూడా చూస్తారు. ఏ ఫ్రేమ్ వరకు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు? ఏ ఫ్రేమ్ వరకు? పేజ్ మోడల్ ఓకే, ఐ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏది? పేజ్ పేజ్ ఏదైనా కానీ చేసి పెడతాను సార్. మీరు ఎప్పటి నుండి అటెండ్ అవ్వగలరు? ఏ టైం కావాలి? మీ టైమింగ్స్ నాకు చెప్పండి. ఆ టైంను బట్టి ఐ కెన్ 12:30. 12:30 ఇండియా టైం 12:30. ఆ టైం ఫిక్స్ చేసుకోండి. రేపు మార్నింగ్ నుండి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. నాకు అప్లికేషన్ చూపించగలరా? చూపిస్తే ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రీ కాదు, క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. మీది ఏ అప్లికేషన్ కానీ నేను వర్క్ చేస్తాను సార్. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎనీ అప్లికేషన్ ఐ కెన్ వర్క్. ఓకే, రియల్లీ ఐ గేవ్ what sir? Huh? Vibula methods. Web methods and that meaning I didn't get you. But whatever it is, sir, if any application మీకు అయితే వర్క్ సపోర్ట్ అయితే కంపల్సరీ ఇస్తాను. అది ఏ అప్లికేషన్ అయినా కావచ్చు, ఏదైనా కావచ్చు. ఓకే, వెబ్ మెథడ్స్ టెస్టింగ్ అంటే అది ఏ మీనింగ్ అంటే తెలియదు. వెబ్ టెస్టింగ్, వెబ్ మెథడ్స్ టెస్టింగ్ ఏది? ఏపీఐ, అప్లికేషన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. ఇది వన్ ఆఫ్ ది సెల్యులో కాంపోనెంట్, సెల్యులో పార్ట్. ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. అప్లికేషన్ ఈ రోజు కనుక ఒకవేళ టైం ఉంటే ఇదే నెంబర్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్. మీ పేరు సార్? హరి. ఓకే సార్, కాల్ మీ సార్. ఓకే, నాకు తెలుసు ఆస్ట్రేలియా, నాకు తెలియదు. అంటే మనీ మైండెడ్ అయితే మీరైతే కాదు, మనీ కోసమే జాబ్ చేసేవాడిని అయితే కాదు. ఓకే, అదొకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఎవరు చెప్పారు చెప్పండి? ఆస్ట్రేలియా నేను మనీ మైండెడ్ అయితే కాదు సార్. ఇప్పుడే కాదు, కొన్ని సంవత్సరాలు అయినా పర్లేదు, పెద్ద తిన్న పర్లేదు, మనీ మైండెడ్ మాత్రమే. మనీ కావాలి అంటే ఈ టైప్ అయితే కాదు. కానీ జాబ్ నాకు కూడా హ్యాపీ. నాకు రేపు సార్, దాన్ని బట్టి నెల పడితే నేను జస్ట్ నాకేం చేస్తారంటే మీరు అది కదా వాట్సాప్ నాకు ఫ్రీ ఉన్నప్పుడు, జస్ట్ ఈ రోజే నాకు ఫ్రీ ఉన్నప్పుడు చెప్తే ఆ వర్క్ అవసరం సంవత్సరాలు రోజులు కావాల్సింది. నాకు ఇప్పుడు 1 day అవర్. హైదరాబాద్ హైదరాబాద్ లో అమీర్పేటలో ఉంటాడు. నా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కూడా హైదరాబాద్ లో. Sir,
Yes, sir.
sorry.
No problem, sir.
I got
No problem, sir.
call from another state country like
Okay.
Australia.
Oh, good, sir.
That is very, very important. If I talk,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
it
yeah.
will be very
Correct.
clear. Otherwise, okay, it is normal call. I will not lift the call.
No problem, sir. No problem at all. No
Actually,
problem.
yeah, Harish, I'm totally online based. My institute is totally online based.
Correct, correct.
Only online
So
classes only I'm
students will be
taking.
calling.
If I have any time, like any middle of the time, like 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, if I get
Okay,
time,
okay.
that time I will take
Hmm.
normal classes. So normal classes
Oh,
also very
okay.
very important. But whenever I
Correct.
am calculating, like money, just like commercially, that time I will take online classes.
Okay, okay. Understood, sir.
Yeah, test plan document prepared by test lead. For example, for example, so what is plan? Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document based on the customer requirements, based on the company, based on the project
Okay.
type. He will prepare the plan. Who will prepare the plan? Test lead will
Yes,
prepare
please.
the plan. Test lead will prepare the plan based on the customer requirements, based on the company type, based on the company economical status, based on the customer requirements. He will prepare the plan. Test plan prepared by test lead. Test plan
Yes, please.
prepared by test lead.
Yes, please.
So, for example, I don't know Bangalore. I want to come to Bangalore now.
Okay.
So, if I have plan like I don't know anything, anyone in Bangalore, for example, I don't know anyone in Bangalore. So if I want to come to Bangalore, so if I know, just if I do plan, so then I will call you, Arish, I'm coming to
Yeah.
Bangalore. So tomorrow morning I want to come to Bangalore.
Yes.
Actually, I want to go to some Martha Halli. I don't know that
Okay.
area. Just if you have time, just come and meet me and go. Just we can go for Martha Halli. So if I say
Yeah, sure.
Martha Ali, then you will guide me. You can guide me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Without any plan, suddenly I came to Bangalore. I'm saying the Arish, where are you? I came Bangalore. I want to go to Martha Halli. So can you come?
Okay.
Oh no, sir. I was busy with my work. I can't
Correct.
come. Okay. So plan is nothing but what do you mean by plan? If you do plan, you can do your work very easy.
Correct.
So plan is nothing but it is a strategic document. Based on the strategy, plan will be changed. Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document. Based on the strategy, plan will be changed. Okay. So if you do
Okay.
plan, you can complete your work in effective and efficient and optimized way. Plan is nothing but it is a strategic document. If you do plan, you can complete that work effectively and efficiently and optimized way. So test plan prepared by test lead based on the company, based on the requirements, based on the company economical status. He will do plan. Test plan prepared by test lead based on the company, based on the company economical status, based on the customer requirements. He will do the plan. Actually, test plan prepared by test lead, but no need
That's
to
great.
learn. Actually, whenever you are working with any software company, so whenever you are facing the interview, that time compulsory they will ask you only test plan. Without asking your name, they may give job. Okay, compulsory they will ask you test plan. Test plan is very very
Okay.
important. That is the reason we are learning test plan today. Okay, test plan document
Okay.
prepared by test lead. This is not our task. This is our not area. This is
Avatar.
uh, only test plan document prepared by test lead. Okay,
Okay.
based on the project type, based on the company economical status, based on the customer requirements, he will prepare the test plan.
Okay.
Okay. Today we will discuss test plan document. Okay.
Okay, sir.
First one is objective. 1.1 introduction. One point one objective. First point objective. The purpose of the document clearly described here in this section, that is called objective. What is the main purpose? Whenever you are buying new book, so in the book first page itself it will describe what is the main purpose. It will describe in the first page only. That is called objective. Objective is nothing but the purpose of the document clearly described here in this section, that is called objective. What is the main purpose? What is that book covers? Everything you will stored into that objective. What is that book contains? What is the aim of the book? What is the theme of the book? What is that book covers? Everything you will listed out here in this section. Here test lead is preparing test plan document. Why is preparing test plan document? What is the aim? What is that book covers? What is that test plan aim? Or what is that test plan theme? Everything he will listed out here in this section, that is called objective. 1.2. Second point, reference documents. If we want to complete this particular project, we need to follow some documents. What are the documents we should follow? He will listed out here in this section, that is called test plan document. So the reference documents. Reference documents means what are the documents we should follow? He will listed out here in this section, that is called reference documents. For example, so if it is any project, so if you want to complete that project, he will listed out some points. He will listed out what are the documents we should follow. He will listed out here in this section, that is called reference documents. For example, recently we developed one project, that is ICICI Bank project.
Okay.
For example, we developed ICICI Bank project. We did nearly 200 members, 2 months time. 200 members, 2 years. We developed this project 2 months and 200 members. After developing the project, they will store in common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total company information. Why? Because this is not government job. So all the members are not permanent employees. Some people will go to other company. So that's the reason each and every software company they will maintain common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total company information. So total company information they will store in one common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a folder, just like external hard disk. So they will store all the information into one repository. Repository is nothing but it is a folder or external hard disk. They will store the total information into one common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total company information. All the total company information they will store in one repository. Repository is nothing but it is a folder or external hard disk. They will store all the information into one repository. Repository is nothing but it is a place nothing but it is a folder. They will store all the information into one repository. Repository is nothing but it is a folder. So already they developed one project, that is ICICI Bank project, nearly 200 members. They did 2 years. So that information they will store in common repository. Not only developed project information, upcoming project information, recently completed project information, everything they will store in one repository, that is called common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total company information. So already they stored in one repository. Okay. After that, after some days they got one another project, that is HDFC. They got another project HDFC. So ICICI Bank project and HDFC Bank project is both are similar, both are same. So using this information, they can complete that particular task or particular project within 2 months. They can complete particular task. What sir? I am getting some sounds
Yes,
from
sir.
you.
No, sir.
Where do you stay?
Outside, actually, sir.
Room
Home,
or?
home, home, home. I am staying inside my room only. Actually, shall I close the window? Actually, some babies are inside. Yeah, no, sir. All clear?
Hmm. Now it is
I'm
very
inside my room only. Yeah.
okay. Are you married?
No, no, sir. I'm unmarried still.
Unmarried only.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, okay,
So outside the neighbor baby, she's crying.
okay, okay. So after 2 months, you got one project, that is HDFC project. Already you have information. ICICI Bank information and HDFC Bank information both are same. Both are same. So similar project. You got similar project. Using that information, you can complete that particular project very easy. Why? Because similar project. Using that information, you can complete that project very easy. That is called, so like you can complete that particular project within 2 months with 20 members. Same project, but already you have some information. Using that information, you can complete that particular project very easy. Why? Because already we have similar project previously we did. So using that information, we can complete that particular project very easy. So we can complete that particular project within 2 months, two 2 months and 20 members. Actually, we did that project 200 members 2 years, but already we have some information. Using that information, we can complete that particular project within 2 months with 20 members only. So that is reference document. So what are the documents we should follow while developing the application? He will list it out. That is called reference documents. What are the documents we should follow? He will list it out here in this section. So that is called a reference documents. Using this reference document, nearly we saved 22 months and 180 members. 22 months and 180 members. So that's the reason each and every software company they will maintain common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total company information. Recently completed project information and upcoming project information. Everything we will store in one repository, that is called a common repository. Common repository is nothing but it is a storage place where we can store the total company information. So what are the documents we should follow? He will list it out here in this section. That is called reference document. Okay. First point is finished.
Okay.
We have 12 points. First point is finished.
Okay.
Second point. Coverage of testing. Second point, coverage of testing. Second point, coverage of testing.
Coverage of test.
2.1, features to be testing. 2.1, not to be testing. There are two types of testings. One is features to be testing. Second one is features not to be testing. What features we need to test, you will listed out here in this section, that is called features to be testing. What features we need to test, you will listed out here in this section, that is called features not to be testing. What features compulsory we need to test, you will listed out here in this section, that is called features to be testing. What features no need to test, you will listed out here in this section, that is called features not to be testing. So it's very, very important. What we need to do, what no need to do, you will listed out here in this section, that is called coverage of testing. It is very, very important. You will save the time. You will save the time. So what features we need to test, what features no need to test, you will list it out here in this section, that is called features to be testing, features not to be testing.
Testing.
Third point, test strategy. Third point, test strategy. In the test strategy, first of all, before going to test strategy, you should know only one thing: test plan. Test plan is applicable for only that particular project to plan. It is applicable for only that particular project. Test strategy is nothing but it is a organizational term. Each and every test plan should follow the test strategy. Test strategy is nothing but it is a organization level time, and test plan is applicable for only that particular project. For example, I'm the chef. For example, I'm the chef. I'm going to, I don't have any job. I'm the chef. I have nearly 10 years of experience. So I don't have any job. I'm going to uh, one hotel, big hotel, five-star hotel. That is, wait. Oh, I'm going to Golconda. Golconda Hotel. Golconda is the one of the five-star hotel. I'm going to Golconda Hotel. So after going to Golconda Hotel, that management people will say, Akhil, actually you have experience. Okay, I know you have cooking. You know cooking. So, but you should do like Golconda Hotel is famous for quality. So always we need to maintain quality. So if it is quality, if it is less, no need to worry. But we should maintain quality. So based on the
Right.
requirement, I will work with Golconda. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
I left my job. Now I am going to Taj Krishna. That is also one of the five-star hotel. Okay. That Taj Krishna people will say, Akhil, already you know cooking. I know, but you should maintain quantity. Actually, you should maintain quantity. All the people they are nowadays they are concentrating on quantity. So you should maintain quantity. So not quality. Based on the requirements, I will work. So that means each and every hotel having own strategy. Each and every hotel having own strategy. So just like each and every company having own strategy. Based on the company strategy, we need to work. Okay. Like
Okay, sir.
for example, we have one company. This is one project. This is one project. This is one project. Each and every plan having own plan. Based on the plan, that project will work. Based on the plan, it will work. Based on the plan, based on the plan, it will work. Based on the plan, it will work. Based on the plan, we will work. Based on the plan, we will work. So total company having own plan, that is called test strategy. Each and every company having one own plan, that is called test strategy. Test strategy is nothing but it is a organization level term. Each and every test plan should follow the test strategy. Plan is applicable for only that particular project. Test strategy is nothing but it is a organization level term. Each and every test plan should follow the test strategy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. In third point, we have 8 points. One is levels of testing. In 3 point, in the third point, we have 8 points. One is 3.1 levels of testing. What are the levels of testing available in testing? Tell me.
Unit level testing, module level testing,
Mm,
integration level testing,
mm,
system level testing,
mm.
and then user acceptance level testing.
How you know?
Actually, I told you, sir, before I have learned that one, and then even I have referred to a document as well.
How you know what are those levels of testing already previously you learned testing, na? So how you know these are the testings only they learned they teach or otherwise any other?
No, even I have referred your videos also, right? I told you, na, last time the video which I have sent also I
Oh, great,
referred.
great. There are 5 levels of testing: unit level testing, module level testing, integration level testing, system level testing, user acceptance level testing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3.2 types of testing.
Yeah.
How many types of testing available in testing?
Actually, 18 types of testing.
What are those?
User acceptance testing,
No, no,
regression.
no, 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 no.
Okay, build acceptance testing,
Mm,
regression testing,
mm,
static testing,
mm,
and then dynamic testing,
mm,
alpha testing,
mm,
beta testing,
mm,
port testing,
mm,
usability testing,
mm,
monkey testing.
mm,
There are some more testings sir, I should recall
I
it.
will tell you 18 types of testing.
Okay.
One is build acceptance testing, regression testing,
Okay.
retesting, alpha testing, beta testing, static testing, dynamic testing, installation testing, usability testing, compatibility testing,
Yeah.
and monkey testing, experts testing, and port testing, and reliability testing, and security testing, ad hoc testing. Next, mutation testing. So these
Mutation.
are the
Okay.
18 types of testings.
Okay.
Okay. Third point, 3.3. Test design techniques. Test design techniques. What are the techniques we have? What do you mean by technique?
So, it's any kind of hard job
Hmm.
which we are doing it in a simple way.
Oh,
Means
great.
that we are,
Shabash. Okay. Already you know something, man. Okay. So if it is
yes,
any
sir.
complex task, if you do very simple way, if it is any hard task or any complex task, if you do any simple way, that is called technique.
Okay. Yeah.
Technique is nothing but if it is any complex task, if you do in simple way, that is called technique. There are two techniques.
Yes.
One is BVA, second one is ECP. BVA means boundary value analysis, ECP means equivalence class partition. These two techniques I will teach you later. Okay, why? Because after
Okay.
test cases concept, I will teach you
Okay, sir.
BVA and ECP.
Okay.
Next, terminology. 3.4 terminology. Terminology. So, for example, I am going to hospital. Regularly, we will use some terms, words, or that is called doctor, patient, nurse, ICU, operation, injection, and
Yeah.
something terms we will use.
Right.
Whenever you are getting the job, regularly we will use some terms. That is called terminology.
Terminology.
Terminology is nothing but regularly we will use some terms. What are the terms we will use regularly? The terms we will listed out here in this section that is called terminology.
Okay.
So what are the terms? After getting job, what are the terms we will use regularly? We will listed out in this section that is called terminology. So terminology. Terminology also very, very important. So test design techniques and terminology I will teach you later.
Okay.
3.5. Configuration management. Configuration management. So here we have two things. One is change control, other one is version control. One is change control, other one is version control. Change control means, for example, you are the customer, sir. For example, what is change control? We will discuss now. You are the customer. You said two buttons in the application.
Okay.
You said two buttons in the application. But middle of the project, you came to company, sir, actually I said two buttons in the application. I need three buttons in the application. Based on your requirements, will develop the application. So this FRS document, actually they got testers. They got information that application should contain two buttons in the application, but the application having three buttons. So we can feel confused and we will raise the defect to developers. Actually, we got one information. That information is that that application should contain two buttons in the application, but that application having three buttons. We will raise the defect. Then developers
Correct.
will say one conclusion or explanation. Sir, actually, first customer he said two buttons in the application. Middle of the project he came to company and he said three buttons in the application. That is the reason we developed. They gave explanation. That issue was closed. After developing the project, we stored in common repository. After some days, we got one project that is similar project.
Similar.
If I want to, use that information, so if I want to use that information in the FRS, it is having two buttons, but application having three buttons. We can feel confused. If I want to use as a reference document, so that application FRS having two buttons, but application having three buttons, we can feel confused. If it is any changes made by anyone, so if it is customer or developer or tester, parallelly we need to update the information into FRS. That is called change control. If it is changes done by anyone, so parallelly we need to update the information into FRS. For example, middle of the project, customer said he came to company, he said three buttons in the application. That information we need to update into FRS. That is called change control.
Okay.
Next, version control. So this is the version 8. For example, this is the version 8. This is the version 9. For example. So this is A. I'm giving name in the 8th version. I'm giving A. I'm giving B. But version 9, I'm giving A, C, B. So version to version, why they are releasing new versions into market? If it is any version came into market, they will add some extra features and they will delete some features, right?
Yes.
The other reason they will introduce into market. So whenever you are raising the defect to developers, compulsory we should mention the version number. Version number. Version number is very, very important. Then only they will accept the defect. Otherwise, they will not accept the defect. So that is change control and version control. 3.6. Test metrics. Next, metrics. Metrics means measurements. If we want to complete this particular project, we need to follow some metrics. Metrics means measurements. What are the documents we should follow? You will listed out in this section, that is called a test metrics. What are the documents we should follow? Each and every software company, they will give some metrics. Metrics means measurements. What are the documents we should follow? What are the each and every software company, they will give some supported documents. What are the documents we should follow? He will list it out here in this section, that's called test metrics. Metrics is nothing but measurements. Metrics is nothing but measurements.
Experiments.
Next, automation plan 3.7. If you want to implement automation, what we need to follow? So you will list it out. So if you want to implement automation project, automation plan in this particular project, how to plan, you will list it out here in this section, that is called automation plan. If you want, we can't implement all. If you want to implement automation, so we can't implement automation in all projects. So we can implement automation in only particular project. What are the how to implement plan? He will list it out in this section, that is called automation plan. What are the how we can plan? If you want to implement automation in this particular project, how to plan, he will list it out in this section, that is called automation plan. Next, 3.8, list of automated tools. List of automated tools. In market, we have number of automated tools, like number of tools we have. So based on the company economical status, they will choose the tools. Like 1,000 rupees we can get one tool, and 1 lakh also we can get one tool. 1 crore rupees also we can get one tool. Based on the company economical status, they will choose the tools. So it's very, very important. Based on the company economical status, they will choose the tools. So simply we can say we have number of cars, like within 1 week, within 1 lakh we can get nano car. Within 1 crore rupees we can get Benz car. So what are the main difference? So if it is nano car, we don't have more facilities. If it is Benz, we have more facilities. So car is safe, but we have more facilities. Based on the company economical status, based on the person economical status, we can choose the tools or cars. Okay, based on the both are tools, both are cars only, but based on the company economical status, we can choose the tools or cars. Okay,
Okay.
that is third point is finished. That is test planning, Harish. That is test planning.
Okay, sir. Okay, these many points are there in the test plan.
Only 3 points. 3 points finished. Remaining 9 points is pending.